If you're looking to make money online in 2025 and you're a beginner or you're new to this, this is the video for you to watch. Hi, my name is Mark and I am the owner along with my wife of a company called Noble Notary Signing Service. That business has allowed us a lot of time and money freedom because we don't have to work really long hours like most people. It has afforded us a lot of spare time to do things like figure out how to make more money online. So that is exactly what we do in our spare time is we just grow more businesses and eventually make more revenue. And I want to show you something that is working well for us now. So if you're a beginner and you're looking to try to sell something online, for starters, the best thing to do is going to be digital products and not on Etsy or on eBay or any of those because those are going to be low traffic. You're going to get a little bit of money, but it's going to be low hanging fruit. But digital products could be ebooks, they could be PDFs, they can be courses. Now, let me tell you, as somebody who has created my own courses, that is a very cumbersome process. You have to create the course, the video content, you have to market and sell that, you have to create landing pages with your offers and email sequences, and all this stuff is not beginner friendly by any means. And then, of course, the real secret sauce, which is the traffic. So what if you can just shortcut this process? What if there's a way to learn all this stuff quickly? And what if there's a way to have ready-made courses? Well, good news, there is. It's called PLR and MMR. MMR stands for Master Reseller Rights. These are courses that are already ready to go. They're fully baked. They've already been tested. And you can buy the rights to those and then, in fact, go ahead and resell them. So let's dive in and see what is out there for you to take advantage of. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little behind the scenes here. Excuse me, I had to put my spectacles on. They're my crutches to see a little bit better. That's the fam right there in the picture. And so let's talk about these PLR and these MMR. Why is this a good business idea? Well, it is, for starters, you can get started with nearly nothing. So there is a very low startup cost. There is a high profit margin. Okay. Now, next, there is no product creation needed. Now, like I said before, we do have courses, and in time, if you follow our channel, we will do a breakdown of course sites like Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable, and Kajabi. We've kind of done all of it. And we'll talk about creating your own as well. We will go over that as well as marketing it in future videos because I think there's some value there. Right offhand, the best if you're going to try to build your own and market your own course would be Kajabi. That's my opinion anyway. They have a very user-friendly platform, so the learning curve is going to be faster. But I'm going to show you, if you stick with me, I'm going to show you some ready-made stuff that's ready to go. But so those are some examples of why it's a good idea. Instant digital delivery, obviously no inventory. There's a passive or a semi-passive income potential that we are dealing with here. So if you wanted to just find some ready-made like PLR products. There are websites like PLR Me and Big Product Store and PLR Database. These are some sites that you can go to and you could experiment with some of their ready-made products. But if you stick with me, I'm going to show you a better solution, a couple better options than those for selling an online course and making money every day, getting what we call daily pay. So all that would really be needed is a turnkey system and a payment gateway like Stripe and PayPal, which most people have or can get access to pretty easily. So let's dive in here. So this right here is a master reseller right course, and I am going to have a link to this in the description. So this is a course that you not only can sell and make money, and in our case, make money to the tune of $300 to $900 a day selling it. It's already set up, meaning this landing page was set up for me. I didn't have to build it like landing pages of my own. I'll show you an example of as well here. Let me just show you. Let me show you some of my personal handiwork. Um, so as a company that owns a notary agency, a staffing agency, like I said, we also teach notaries how to run their business better. And so in the process, that was where we created some of our first digital courses. Now I had to create those courses with, you know, 10 hours of training material and with files and all the resources and all the knowledge I've accumulated over years of running this business. But then I also had to build this landing page with this sales copy and with the video. There's a video right up in here. It isn't loaded yet, but there's a video in here that we had to shoot. So there was a lot of production time and a lot of setup to create this course offer. And of course, this is extremely niched. It's for a very specific type of person that would want to do this type of thing. So uh, you can actually, with PLR stuff, you can go after a much larger audience. So we found that having a master reseller right course was a good fit for us. Now, for me, I've already had the experience with building the funnel, so that wouldn't have been the issue. It would be simply creating another course, which could be time consuming. But I have found this course not only is ready made, but it teaches you the process. Over a number of years, we've learned to do things like Canva, email drips, and all this stuff, but they have accumulated all this ready made. So let me show you a sales funnel. So here is a sales funnel in System.io, which is free. And these are all ready made landing pages with checkouts, ready made email campaigns that are already loaded and they already drip out sequentially. And the product offer is, again, it goes through a checkout and then it goes to a product that is not mine, but it is a quality product. And what's great about this particular product here is that it comes with a school membership to where you have ongoing support. It doesn't have to be me doing all the support. It's a team that's doing all the support. So again, another bonus. So that is one of the things I like about this particular master reseller right product. So what you would do is you would find something like this, or you could go to one of those websites that I mentioned previously, get a product, and now what you need to do is you need to market this online. So you can make videos, your own videos like this. Obviously, that would accelerate the process, but you can also do this without using your own. What I like about this one here, the Launchpad and the Legacy Builder system that I'm talking about, is that in the school forum, they actually have ready-made testimonials and videos and live webinars that you can go ahead and use, and you just post these on a like a blind YouTube channel, or what we call faceless YouTube channel, which we have in fact done. So this YouTube channel that you're watching right now, surprise, is not my only channel. We have several YouTube channels, but we do have one that we in fact are just putting video testimonials and different other uh, attraction-based content on. So what you would do once you have a product like that you want to sell, obviously you would want to take to social media and market your product, get your message out there. And that is one of the great things about the Legacy Builders, is that she's actually really good at showing you how to, one, create those different social accounts, especially like YouTube, which might be difficult for some people, and then shows you how to create content that is going to be attractive. They actually have in here, they have what they call their 30-day challenge. So with this one, once you enrolled in this master reseller course, you would go ahead and get the 30-day challenge, where they give you step by step. And some of those steps include things like posting on free ad sites. For example, a site like this, Gibo, even Craigslist, you heard that right, Craigslist. Ad post, you could create posts in here about your offer, and she suggests spending a couple hours a day creating these posts, and that is exactly what we have done. We have gone in and we've done those, as well as create a YouTube channel where we are loading different testimonial videos. And so far, the results have been fantastic, completely part-time. And so excited are we about this that we've decided to, let's go ahead and talk about it on our main YouTube channel. We might as well not gatekeep information if it's this good. So let me show you some other options that are available to you if you're wanting to make money online. So while I'm a huge fan of this Legacy Builders program, which has several different offers you can both buy into for learning as well as resell, and teaches you, in fact, how to resell, and it is actually a quality course, as well as that back end support and the testimonial videos like these right here that you can use as part of your own marketing campaigns. There are other options. One that I'm also particularly impressed with is Mr. Russell Brunson's, and he's going to be able to tell you about this way better than I would. So I am definitely going to put a link in here for this. But this is PLR funnels. Russell Brunson is the mastermind behind ClickFunnels, and he has ready-made the same thing: email sequences, the upsells, the landing pages, as well as the PLR products themselves, which are great products because they come from people who have been in those niches and already have established some good brand recognition. So this is a webinar that you can join and you can learn all about it. It's again, he can tell you way better than I could about it. So I'll just put the link in the description so you can hear more about um, the PLR funnels through ClickFunnels, and maybe do a comparison of this versus the Launchpad versus the legacy builders and make an informed decision. So those are two very viable options. And from there, you just want to focus on your daily tasks that are going to drive traffic. Each of these is a unique offer, and each of these you can tailor your approach to it. You can also do value added. So, for example, with the Launchpad, we offer additional bonuses for email opt-ins, meaning we give you some of our SEO prompts that we've used for creating different types of blogs to increase the traffic, even though they cover plenty of traffic generating concepts in the course. So, what to do next? What are some next steps that you should take? Well, check the link in the description for our site here, which is sacredsuccessonline.com. And we have a 10K in 30-day giveaway. So that is a free webinar. That is a free report. There's a couple other free resources in there to really open your eyes to this opportunity and be able to start thinking seriously about making money in 2025 online with digital products, especially if you are a beginner. Like I said, guys, I've been an entrepreneur for a number of years now and have already had my own courses. And if there ever was a shortcut for somebody who's not techie and doesn't know digital marketing, they are right here staring you in the face. So I hope you'll take advantage of them. And if you found this video useful, please do me a favor, smash the like button, comment below, let me know where you're watching from, and subscribe. And we will see you on the next one.